If you can hang a picture, you can hang your bamboo shades in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these simple tools and let's get started. All bamboo or woven wood shades have the same basic parts, the shade itself and the necessary mounting hardware. Depending on your specific product, the hardware and headrail may be a little different than the ones I'll be using in this video, and that's okay. You'll follow basically the same steps I'll go through here to hang them. Just be sure to check the instructions that came with your product before you start. Bamboo shades are one of the easiest window coverings to put up. The one I'm putting up today has these handy slots in the headrail, which make it simple to position the brackets and attach the headrail. The first step is to determine where to place your brackets. Outside mount shades are hung above the window. The brackets will be screwed into place through the two holes on the back of each bracket. Depending on the size of your brackets, you'll need a minimum of 5/8 of an inch above the top of the window. With the shade facing you, center the headrail over the window. Place a level on top to keep things straight, then take your pencil and mark the location of each slot. Set the shade aside for now. Take a bracket with the bolt facing down and position it just over your first mark. With your pencil, mark the locations for the two installation screws. Repeat this for any additional brackets. Before you put any screws in, we recommend pre-drilling the holes first. Don't go too deep though, just enough to get the screws started. Go ahead and drill the screws into place through each bracket. Let's put up the shade. With the front of the shade facing you, use the slot holes as a guide to position the headrail over the bottom of the drop bolts. With one hand, pull the valance up above the headrail to expose the bottom of the bolts. Reach up under the shade and attach the wing nuts to secure the headrail to the window. Now that everything's in place, pull the shade down and back up again to make sure it works okay. If for any reason your shade hangs slightly crooked, you can shorten or lengthen whichever side is uneven. On the bottom of the shade on the back side, locate these plastic dials called length adjusters. To shorten the shade, use a Phillips head screwdriver to turn the dial to the right. To lengthen the shade, turn the dial to the left. Adjust the length on either side as needed until the shade is even. You're all done! Your new bamboo shades are ready to roll. If you need to remove your shades, just lift the valance and reach underneath to unscrew the wing nuts. Then simply lower them off by the headrail. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new bamboo shades from Select Blinds. If you have any questions or need any additional help with your specific product, please call us or visit our website at any time. We're here to help.